Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is for sale by the order with lot area of 406 square meter with frontage of 20 yan, corner lot. I'm here at Project 6 Quezon City, 20 meters away to road 1. Ayan, 20 meters 20 meters yan. Ito yung property from there sa globe hanggang doon sa second street na yan. 406 square meter corner lot with structure currently with demolishing na yan, pero may nakatira raw dyan, pinauupahan. For sale na po ito. Ayan. Facing west, flood free, 4 minutes away to Mindanao Avenue, 19 minutes away to Trinoma Landmark. Ayan to. Focus tayo dyan ha. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung mga katabing property. Maganda. Facing west. Pwede dito 3-story building, apartment, townhouses. Hanggang dito to. Yes, hanggang dito. Hanggang dito na lang po. Masisita na ako.